Are the official gVim Windows binaries precompiled to work with Python 3? I downloaded gVim 73_46.exe from the official vim.org website and installed it with its full components, and I develop using Python 3.2, but would settle for 3.1 if it's more likely to work with Vim. Running Vim version command gives me a Python 3 result. However, running column echo has Python in Vim gives a 1, true. Does that mean my Vim is built to support Python 2 or not? As for Python 3, running column py3 commands gives E370 column could not load library Python 31.dll. Does that mean it's built to support Python 3.1? If yes, can I make it use my 3.2? If no, is there any source I can obtain precompiled Windows binaries that support Python 3 plus Python 3?
If I've answered your questions correctly, I can only additionally suggest using another build of Vim. It is compiled with nearly latest versions of interpreters, including Python 3.2.3. And it also uses latest Vim 7.3.618, which contains my patch that extends Python/Python 3 interpreter support, pyeval/pyeval functions and vim.bindeval. Update: it seems that it moved to this URL, but I am no longer using precompiled binaries any longer, have a script that cross-compiles them for me, thus cannot verify this is true.
From column help Python 3. Running py3 commands gives E370, could not load library Python 31.dll. Does that mean it's built to support Python 3.1? Yes. If you get Python 3.1 and set your path correctly, Vim should have Python. Can I make it use my 3.2? No, Vim is compiled to expect a certain interface, so you need a matching library.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.